also gonna know. Today we're gonna be making spider snacks. So for the ingredients, you're gonna need white frosting, candy corns, crackers, pretzel sticks, hazelnut spread or any chocolate spread, plates, and something to spread with. Okay, so first thing you're gonna wanna do is lay out your crackers. I'm gonna make 3 spider snacks, so I have 6 crackers here. And I'm gonna take my hazelnut spread and my spreader, plastic knife, and I'm going to put it on one side of my cracker. So next we're gonna take our pretzel sticks and we're gonna put them on the side where the chocolate spread is. This is gonna serve as our legs to our spiders. Taking 3 for one spider, and I'm gonna break them in half. Okay, now that we have our legs down, we're going to sandwich the other side of our crackers right on top. Okay, for the next step, we're gonna take our white frosting and our knife and we're gonna spread it on the top of our spider snacks. Okay, we're almost finished now. We're gonna take our candy corns and we're gonna put them right on top of the frosting as the spider's eyes. So our last step is to go back in with the hazelnut spread and make pupils for your spider. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and we're gonna put it right in the center of your candy corn. And we're all done. We have our spooky spider snacks. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe for more.